Dent of the Week. This is going to turn into an episode of Shoot at the Stars, isn't it?
It is getting that way, yeah. It is getting that way. I'll have to just start wearing a blonde wig like Ulrika.
No. You just need a pair of drumsticks.
Hey. Well, I've got him.
Was that good? Yeah, that was quick, that.
You won't be laughing next episode when I turn up behind a drum set.
Do it. So, Dent of the Week. What was my Dent of the Week? It was the RAV4 rear door, and it was like a greeny grey colour. Totally smashed in, but luckily it didn't damage the paintwork. No idea how it didn't or crack it, but there you go. 70% of the door was caved in, so I cold glued it out first. Majority popped out, and the caves came out on their own, and then it's just a case of fixing the bottom, and I mean that took me all day, but it came out bang on, so I was very happy with it.
I've seen I think you put something up on the cold glue section of that repair, did you?
Yeah,
on
Instagram.
A couple of weeks ago,
yeah. Well, when I did it.
I've not seen the finished article though, so I can't wait to see this episode of Those Dent Guys when it's in its full glory. Nice.
So that was it. Yeah, nice and quick. That was. So what's
Customer happy? Customer happy though?
Yeah, absolutely bang on.
Perfect, mate. Perfect.
Bang on. Well, he was shopping around and went on the internet and what our topic is for this week. He went onto YouTube, saw what I'd done, saw the end results of previous jobs that I'd done, and he knew that if he brought it down to us, then I'd sort it for him. So like you say, perfect example of social media marketing. That's it. Yep. Got a job from that.
Winning jobs. Lovely stuff, man. Lovely stuff.
How's about you?
Cool. My Dent of the Week. Now, if we go back to episode 2 that we did on MTRX, so if you've not heard it, go back and listen to it for sure. You touched on a quarter panel dent that I had on a DS5. And as I said in that episode, if I've ever had a boring week at the office, I'm stockpiling my Dent of the Weeks. Well, surprise, surprise, I've had a boring week. Look, don't get me wrong, there's been plenty going on, but nothing noteworthy dent-wise, just dinging. So yeah, I'm going to bring one of them stockpile dents back, and it was that quarter panel on the DS5
nice.
That was absolutely caved in. I mean, it was just disgusting, really. You've seen it.
So yeah, you had to do a bit of stripping as well, didn't you?
Yeah, it was probably the size of Shrek's head smashed into a quarter panel. But it was cool. For as bad as it was, and there was a couple of like little tucked in sharp areas towards edges and stuff. It moved really, really well with the cold glue. So we Glexo'd out the bulk of it, and it was one of those dents where it was just very satisfying, where everything went according to plan at every stage of the process.
Never knew there was such a thing.
Exactly right. Well, it happened. A nice pass of cold glue, a nice pass of hot glue or two, and then just bringing out the rest of it, picking out, job done. It was paint by numbers, which I like those days at the office.
Well, so do I. When they come around,
they're rare, but
was it single skinned at all?
It was to an extent, yeah. It was on the the fuel housing side. So there was a bit of fuel housing to sort out, and there was I had to call this guy up to give me a quick hand on how to get some of the fuel housing out, because I was just struggling, and I don't know who he was, but he seemed to have a bit of an idea about a bolt behind or something. Anyway, thanks for that, mate. I really appreciate it.
Never gets shaved.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah. Thanks for your help that day, mate.
No problem.
Why won't this come out?
Driving like mad.
Exactly.
Just a 10mm nut. Oh
yes, it was. I was literally swinging off the panel. But no, all was good in the hood. Thanks to your masterful R&I ways. Yep, we got it all gutted, we got it all fixed, put back together, and the customer was over the moon because it was a lease return car as well. So
boom.
we saved their bacon.
Very good.
Mm-hmm.
Save the day. We both saved the day.
Nice. Do we have a dent of the week from anybody else? So, other than our dent of the weeks, we had quite a few people tag us into their dent of the weeks, and we had a good look through. So thanks, guys, for tagging us in. But there was one in particular that was just naughty.
Mangled.
Who was it, mate? Who was it?
Danny Smith, dents removed.
There
Good
you
name.
go. Oh, absolutely. Good name and smashing repair. T6 tailgate that was just absolutely mangled.
One thing I don't like stripping of those tailgates, that you take the trim off and you look at all that handle mechanism and you're like,
Again, there's another tech we should get on the show and have a little chat through that repair as well.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah,
it'd be good to chat to Danny as well, because I think he's got a few other things going on with his dent business expansion wise that would be cool to hear about. So yeah, maybe we'll get him on and you can have a chat about that repair in particular, because it was disgusting and he smashed it.
I don't think he'll ever forget about that one.
No, I should imagine his arms are still aching now.
Yeah, you reckon?
Yeah, well played, Danny.
He's trailing his knuckles on the floor.
Nice. We love you, Danny.
Dear. Right, so that's the dents of the week done.
That's right.
Now we're into the topic.
There we go.